Happy International Zine Month. It's the 7th today and the prompt for day 7 is climate. For me, that means writing tips on how to be more environmentally friendly in small ways. When it comes to tackling the climate crisis, I think we all need to start small. Enacting manageable bite-sized changes is much better than not doing anything at all, and we all need to start somewhere. I wanted to make this little zine as a tiny guide with a few ideas on how to make little changes happen in your life for the benefit of the planet. I made this zine by cutting up some old travel brochures that I had lying around. I'm not exactly going to be using them anytime soon with this whole coronavirus thing, so they've been put to good use for zine purposes. I really like cutting out images from magazines like this because the images are always really stunning. And I think this beautiful travel photography sits really well against the rough edges of the watercolour and the ripped paper. And now for those of you that can't read my handwriting, including myself, I'll read out to you my small ways to save the planet. Contact the brands you buy from and ask them to tell you how they source their products. Your voice is powerful, so use social media. We, the consumer, are the most effective tools in getting big companies to change their ways. When you see trash, pick it up. It's so easy for us to walk past litter on the streets and just leave it there. If we all stopped to pick up the rubbish, we wouldn't be in this mess. If you can, donate to a worthy cause. A quick internet search will help you connect with a cause that fits. It might sound cliche, but every little really does help. Next time your old light bulbs blinker out, switch them to LED bulbs. They are initially a little more expensive, but they last 10 times longer, up to 10,000 hours, and they use 2/3 less energy than traditional light bulbs. Join a library instead of buying new books. Not only do you benefit from the expertise of excellent librarians and enjoy the communal magical space of a library, but you will save a few trees from being mulched into books. Dine by candlelight. Not only does it up your ambience, but you save on electricity while lessening your energy consumption. Bonus points if you buy your candles from independent local makers. After constructing my zine, it was onto the digital side, where I would take my picture, edit the image, and then print it out. And then it would be on to constructing the copies of my zine. Here I crop my zines and then fold them. Then it's on to listing them into my store. If you want to grab your own copy of my little climate zine, check out the link in my description below to head to my store. And there we have it, my little environmentally friendly zine. I really enjoyed making this climate zine, and I'd like to make more in this series. Do you have any ideas for small tips for saving the planet? Drop me a comment below and let me know, and I might feature your idea in my next zine. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more, pop back to day 6 and check out my conversation zine. And be sure to hit that subscribe button to see more zine related content from me. I'm making zines all of this month, so there'll be lots more videos to come. But that's all for today. I'll see you tomorrow with my next zine. Bye!